Hello and welcome back. This is the third of the three videos in this three-part series. This one is subtracting matrices. The first one I did adding matrices, and the second was matrices multiplication. And so let's go ahead and get started. We're using the same two matrices. They're 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns for each of these. And first thing we need to do here is we're going to multiply 4 times matrix A, then we're going to multiply 3 times matrix B, and then we're going to subtract the 2. So let's go ahead and write this out and what it looks like. My dog is snoring. And we're going to subtract 3 times matrix B. What is this right? Okay, so when we multiply these, we're just multiplying like through the distributive property, and we'll do the same thing here. Okay, so here 4 times 3, this answer matrix is going to be negative 12, 4, 8, and negative 16. Okay, so all I did was multiply this 4 as a coefficient to each of these places. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing here. Now, what I prefer to do is change this to addition and make this a negative 3 and multiply the negative 3 by each of these, okay? And that way you have a smaller chance of making sign errors. So this will be negative 15, and this times this will make 6. This times this is 3. This times this is negative 21. Okay? So just like when you were subtracting integers when you first started learning that part of algebra, it's pretty much the same thing. So like say for example, if you had 5 minus 7, that answer there would be a negative 2. And here, if we had a negative there and we just multiplied that, it would have been a negative 15. So the concept is still the same. All right, let me get rid of that. Okay, so now we're ready to just add them. And remember, when you're adding matrices, your dimensions need to be the same. Both of these matrices are 2 by 2s, and we add the numbers that are in the same place, the same position, corresponding positions on each of the matrix. So negative 12 plus a negative 15 will go in the first row, first column position. So that will make a negative 27. And then this here is a positive 4. This mark kind of just got there. Anyway, so you know that this is a positive 4. So 4 and 6 is 10. And then 8 and 3 is 11. And negative 16 and 21 is negative 37. And that's all you have to do for those. Okay, so remember, you can change your subtraction to addition and then change the sign of your multiplier here. If you didn't have a multiplier there and it just said this matrix 4a minus b, then you would just have been getting this answer matrix, and then this would have been a 5 here, and so you would have been doing 12 minus 5. Okay? Alright, so if you have any questions, just write them in the comment section. Please be sure to like and to subscribe, and thank you for watching.